Ready for the bip. The alarm is on. Now we're going to set this voltage for 14. 13 is fine. Okay, so it's on. We got power. The procedure is gonna take some time, so we want to make sure that we got a good battery. Normally this truck do not always require this, but it's good to have it rather than not have it. Okay, it's gonna be a little hot here. Next step is to find the sensing pocket. I'm looking for the vehicle. The user guide. User guide. This is the key fob menu, and so sensing pocket, transmission pocket. So based on what is shown, sensing pocket is supposed to be here, depending on the type of Silverado. So it seems like in our case it's gonna be here, which is right here. Seems like it would be here. It's 15, 2500. It shouldn't matter really. 1500, 23, smart key, old model. Hot function, add smart key guided. Let's go ahead again. Yes, I do want to start reading pin. I do know now I got internet. It's already, ignition is already turned on, so I'm not going to do that. The glare. So it's got the pin successfully. I'm going to click on OK. Do you want to start DTC clearing? Yes, why not? Do you want to start the key learning process? Yes, I do. Press the start button once. The ignition is already turned on, so I'm going to say OK. Place the smart key to be learned in the key slot or the sensing pocket. So we're going to place one of our keys here. I don't actually know how to leave it over there because the vehicle is on an incline. I'm just gonna have to find a way, something that works, like MacGyver. Okay. The password is populated. Yes. switch the ignition off. Now I will switch it off. It is configuring. "12-minute wait." So let's check here real quick. We got a lock on the dashboard. The system is in learning mode. It's going to progress until 100%. At about 80%, this lock will disappear. To be very correct, I think 83%, this lock should disappear. When this lock disappears, it's a good sign that everything is going smoothly. And after this lock disappears, it's going to start configuring the system and putting the tech into a few steps of opening driving doors, closing, and pushing the buttons and this and that. So I'm going to disconnect and connect back at 79%. So we can see if the lock disappears exactly in that moment between 80 and 83%. I do believe it's 83. Doesn't matter, but you know, that's just me. Okay, time for testing. We can test remote start because the hood is open. Also, remote start is not going to work if this is on. Let's test the other fob. All fob works. We're going to disconnect the voltage stabilizer, close the hood, and test remote start. The vehicle sends both keys. We can start the vehicle. 2021 Chevy Silverado at key.